DJI Mavic 4 Pro new leaked features, price, and release date reveal. The drone world just got a whole lot more exciting. A major leak has revealed what seems to be the first real look at the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And yes, it's turning heads. Shared by trusted leaker Jasper Ullens, the image looks like the actual retail box of the drone. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, the details we're seeing are hard to ignore. So what's new? A lot. Let's start with the design. One major change is the sensor placement. In older models, DJI hid a key sensor under the propeller. Now, it's fully exposed. This might be a vision sensor, an infrared system, or even a LiDAR sensor. If that last one is true, this could be a huge leap for drones. LiDAR would give the Mavic 4 Pro serious power when it comes to mapping and obstacle detection even in the dark. That's not all. There's now a small rubber foot under the drone. It may not look like much, but it protects the camera and sensors when the drone is on the ground. This shows DJI is not just thinking about how the drone flies but also how it lands and lasts. Now, let's talk money. According to leaks, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will follow a similar price path as the Mavic 3 Pro. In the US, the base model is expected to land at $2,250. If you want the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and accessories, that jumps to $3,200. And for serious creators, the Creator Combo featuring a 512GB internal drive and the newer C Pro to controller will cost around $4,400. That's no small amount. It's the price of a used car. So the big question is, what are you getting for it? Let's break it down. The official reveal is rumored for April 20th, but leaks already paint a clear picture. This is not just another refresh. DJI is going big. They're calling it their most advanced cinematic drone in the consumer lineup. And based on what we're seeing, that claim holds up. One of the key upgrades: a brand new propeller system. The propellers now feature an aerodynamic design with a quick-release disc on top. That's not just for show. It improves airflow and helps keep dust and moisture out of the motors. Plus, DJI added rubber bumpers on all forearms and a central rubber foot. This thing is built to handle real-world use, not just perfect flying conditions. But let's go back to that possible LiDAR sensor. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. It uses laser pulses to map out the surroundings. The leaks say the sensor is placed on the right arm of the drone. If true, it's a major game changer. LiDAR lets the drone see better in low light, or even in total darkness. That means better safety and smoother flights in tricky spots near buildings, trees, or rocky areas. Now let's talk cameras because that's what really matters to creators. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with a triple camera system, built with Hasselblad. Yes, that Hasselblad, the same brand used in space missions and by pro photographers. Here's what you get first: a large 4/3 CMOS sensor with electronic ND filters. That means sharper images, better lighting control, and richer detail. Second, a medium telephoto lens with a 50mm equivalent, perfect for getting that natural-looking mid-range shot. Third, a long telephoto lens with a 166mm equivalent. That gives you extreme zoom without losing quality. This setup gives you flexibility, wide landscapes, detailed close-ups, and everything in between from the sky. You can switch between lenses on the fly, giving you full creative control whether you're filming a cinematic scene, surveying land, or capturing action shots from above. Another big improvement is flight time. DroneXL reports the Mavic 4 Pro will offer at least 50 minutes of flight time. That's without using any special battery upgrades. In real-world use, you're looking at nearly an hour in the air. For pros who need to shoot at multiple spots or fly for extended periods, that's a huge win. Longer battery life means fewer landings, fewer battery swaps, and more time to get the perfect shot. Put it all together: advanced sensors, top-tier cameras, better battery life, and the Mavic 4 Pro looks like a serious contender for Drone of the Year. But there's more. DJI isn't stopping at just one model. Reports suggest they're planning 3 versions of the Mavic 4 lineup. One of them, a cinema edition built for professional filmmakers. This move makes sense. DJI knows its users aren't all the same. Some are hobbyists, some are YouTubers, some are working on movie sets. By offering different versions, DJI is making sure there's a perfect match for everyone from casual flyers to full-time creators. So where does the Mavic 4 Pro stand in the current drone market? It's raising the bar. With possible LiDAR tech, Hasselblad optics, improved endurance, and smart new design touches, this drone is built for serious use. It's not just a gadget, it's a creative tool. As we get closer to the official release, more details will likely surface. But even now, it's clear DJI is ready to make a big statement. If these leaks are accurate, the Mavic 4 Pro won't just be an upgrade. It'll be a milestone. So if you're into drones, filmmaking, or just love top-tier tech, keep your eyes on DJI this April. Because the future of aerial photography is just about to take off.